Okay, so here we are in the Taipa houses, and
I'm gonna tell you my favorite house here.
that's gonna be pretty cool.
So so if you have not come here, make sure you come. It's very nice.
It's really nice. And just to give you a little background, so these Taipa houses came about 100 years ago, and that used to be all ocean.
Over 100 years ago?
Yep, these houses right here, about 100.
Oh.
Maybe we'll see a sign in a little bit, and then we'll show you exactly. So that was all ocean. I'll tell you about it in a second, so stay tuned. And I'm hanging out with my daughter today.
Yeah.
Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we're back. Dun, dun, dun. And just quickly before we go down, so this is the type of houses. This was built about 100 years ago. We'll see the signs when we go by there in a little bit.
Yeah, this is also known as my favorite one.
That's the favorite one right there?
Favorite house, yeah.
So she's going to show me the favorite one, which is going to be that one. So we're going to go see that one specifically. Yeah. And we might even pop in the other ones too, since we have the camera.
It's going to be cute.
And just a little bit of a background. This over here used to be all ocean. Maybe we'll walk. So we'll walk down and I'll tell the story a little bit.
Yeah.
And so this is just before we even go down. That's Carmel Church. That goes into Taipa Village. That's a cool building right there. And but our focus is going to be down here and the type of houses. And yeah, so basically that was all ocean. And then there's another island called Koloan, and this island is called Taipa. And then they filled in all the land in between and they put casinos there. Koloan Island, Taipa Island, Kotai. So Kotai is basically a mix of the two words. And now we have the type of houses that overlook casinos, where before they would look over the ocean. But actually they're still, they kept a little ecological park right here. So they have lily pads and frogs and storks and birds and everything.
We might show you that later though.
The Fu Hong Society of Macau. You see that? Oh yeah, there's actually some cool stuff there.
That's what I'm gonna do. That's where we could go to.
You see that thing that says Fu Hong Society of Macau right there?
Yeah.
There's a wheelchair right there, right? That, you know why that wheelchair is there? The Fu Hong Society is basically, it's like a organization for special needs and handicap and people with disability. So they really put a lot of money, and then they also open things up. Is this the one you want to look at?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks like it's closed, but we can still go up there and take a look around. What's usually in there?
What's usually inside?
Yeah.
It's usually the normal old houses, but actually inside there's a lot of meanings to it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like history?
Yeah, there's a lot of history there. That's what I really
Yeah. So let's just kind of take a look at these steps. Yeah, and actually they'll have stuff like the Lusophonia sometimes. Do you know what that is? So there's a festival called Lusophonia. You've been here before, right? Yeah, it's been a while because of COVID. They didn't let foreigners in for 3.5 years, so it was really limited. That's a bathroom right there, and then that's actually the wall up there too. So yeah, Lusophonia was kind of like then this last year they actually canceled it because there was a COVID case, but then it was like they had a kind of a belief system that foreigners have COVID, so there's lots of other stuff going on that was like 100% going no problem, but they canceled this one really quickly. But I think now that COVID is over, and it seems like now there's not that issue anymore, that we'll probably have some nice Lusophonias where they'll bring in people again from the outside world. That was like not like that then, not like that for 3 years. Yeah, their band. This is really cool right here. I haven't seen this before. Have you seen this before? When? Last week?
When I came here with my teacher.
Oh.
Portuguese in my class.
Yeah, because I think that those things kind of change. So I don't remember seeing that particular one.
I remember when we came here, most of my classmates called him Teeny.
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 T-I-M-I.
Timmy.
Yeah.
Why is that?
Because It matches like this. It matches with my book.
Oh.
It's like we have a Portuguese book, yeah. We actually have a Portuguese book.
Yeah.
And that Portuguese book, the turtle here,
Yeah.
it matches the same with the one in our book. So we call it Timmy.
Oh, okay.
Timmy.
So it looks like they're actually talking about it here. So it's in English down here. So it's Macau original red-eared turtle. So
Red-eared turtle.
does he have a red ear? I can't read it very well because it's nighttime, but so I don't see a red ear. But I guess it's some kind of turtle, anyways. So I guess he's a Macau original, and just kind of see. I can't really read it, but okay.
Ho Seo Chung's feeling towards the person he loves are getting stronger and stronger. He wonders whether his crush likes him or not every day. He counts the rose petals and thinks about how I can't read it, I don't know how to read it. His feelings to the person he loves. It's such a bittersweet as well. I can't read two of the words.
It's hard to read at nighttime, but
I don't know how to read it.
oh.
I can see it, I don't know the read.
So basically what I just heard is like there was this love story about turtle who's like doing the petals. Maybe he's doing like, you know, she loves me not, and she's just like kind of dreaming about.
Avenida de Praia.
So that's the name of our street, Avenida de Praia. What's it called?
海邊馬路.
Ah.
Finally, the first ever sign I can read.
Yeah.
In this video, finally. In this video, the first one I can read.
What is it?
海邊馬路.
Oh, that's pretty cool. So actually over here, so this is the kind of ecological zone. So there's a sign for it, and then over there you can see the skyline. So we can see Galaxy Casino way over there, and then Venetian is over there. That's all of Galaxy. Even that stuff behind it is all Galaxy. Studio City is the one that just lit up. It's behind Venetian. That's Venetian, Studio City, and then there's Parisians between Studio City and Venetian. This is all Londoner, City of Dreams, Morpheus, and the other ones are hidden. They're behind those ones. There's a few more. Yeah, Wind Palace is behind that one, and Lisboa Palace, and Lisboeta.
Studio City.
And Studio City is down there.
Yeah.
And then this one is called, do you remember the name of that one?
Absolutely not.
It's an apartment building, so that's kind of quite nice big apartments that cost a lot of money.
I only remember there's
Ocean Gardens? Or Ocean, I think that one is like something Thai, Grand Thai or something like that.
Ha means it's like the sea.
The sea.
Bean is like place. It's
Yeah.
like, it's like the side. And then ma actually means horse, but then if you say it with malo, then it's gonna be like street.
I'm gonna put it like that. It's okay.
Stay dehydrated.
Are you on the come a little closer? You're off screen. There we go. So what do you want to say to end this one? What do you think? What about the type of houses? Anything you want to?
Very nice.
Very nice, right? And your favorite one was closed. But actually there's one that's a museum. I think, is that the museum one?
Most of them are.
So there's, I think some of them are made in museums, and one of them has a bookstore as well. That's
Museu Vivo de Macaense.
that's in Portuguese.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. So that's where we are today, and I'm with my daughter, which is always good.
Stay hydrated.
Stay hydrated.
I mean hydrated.
Oh yeah. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado.
e minha